Welcome to day 4 of the community hike from Kullu to Parashar Lake. Day 4, we're waking up on a small ridge line just above a village called Bambola. Quite a big day yesterday, almost 2,000 meters of climb. We came up from Arang, a couple of passes, a couple of ridges, lots of ups, lots of downs, the usual, you know. And today we're hoping to reach Parashar Lake. Parashar Lake is only 10 kilometers away, so it's tantalizingly close. And the main reason it's tantalizing is at Parashar Lake, there are dabbas. And you know what dabbas make?
Oh, bread omelette.
Bread omelets. They also make chai. They also make coffee. Sometimes they sell Snickers. So, what can I say? It's going to be another beautiful day. We had a good night's sleep. It was a little bit windy and rainy overnight, but it's a beautiful morning. The wind has dried out the tents perfectly, so we can pack away a nice dry tent, which is always a treat, always appreciated.
So we were able to spot Parashar Lake, the Meadows right there. That's where we are headed. This was our campsite following Leave No Trace. Everything looks how it was the previous night. Hope you have a good day. Let's do this.
Yeah, boy.
There's some beautiful campsites all along this ridgeline. No water, obviously. So if you just carry enough water with yourself, these are nice spots. This trail has one of the most beautiful campgrounds, I would say. So a quick 300 meter up, we're at the temple with some magnificent views. Woo! Let's climb up that small hill to have a look at the Roadhead, and Parashar is getting closer by the minute. So we're getting some magnificent views on the Roadhead. Spot good number of peaks. We can also trace our way back. That is Pawnee Jot, the pass that we did. That is Bagidhar. Kandi Pass is right here. We walked on this ridgeline yesterday. We had camped on this ridgeline somewhere. Very beautiful. Lovely. You can also see Pir Panjal. There's a nice forest rest house on the top, but not functional, I guess. What a day. It's a pretty clear day today, and there are so many trails in the meadows. You'll just have to stick to one contour. Now we have to go all the way till 2900 meters, and then we'll descend down towards Parashar. 11:30 a.m. Much closer to Parashar now. Have one last climb left for ourselves. Nice and easy. It's getting closer by the minute. Yeah, so we are at the Roadhead. Yeah, it was an easy day, but a long day. 7 hours. We just did 11 kilometers. 2:21 p.m. The day wasn't tough, but Arpit is just struggling because of his shoe. Wrong shoe is a problem. He has to step down, sit at every spot. So there is a lot of time wasted, and he'll have to exit now from this point. And then we just will go all the way. We'll keep going further, but him and Nishant do exit today. But yeah, this is how the Roadhead sort of looks like.
Really well done. Thank you for help.
Yes.
No problem, but no.
Please don't feel that way.
Great effort, bro.
Yeah.
That's
Bye
the main
bye.
thing. Yeah.
Bye bye bye.
Bye.
Shum, shum, shum. Oh yeah.
Peace.
Take care. Take care. Yeah. Hello everyone. So we have finally made it all the way to Parashar Lake. Wow. The weather has turned sides, switched sides. It's a nice, bright and sunny, but it's little foggy, cloudy. The whole landscape is receiving good amount of rainfall, yeah, especially towards the Dhauladhar. But yeah, this is the beautiful temple, and you can see this small little lake. This is the Rishi Parashar temple, and a small little lake. Beautiful day 4, and now we'll just settle in. We're done with our lunch. Time is close to 4 p.m. Yeah, it was a quick climb all the way to the top. Yeah, this is so beautiful. This is really nice. आप कहाँ हो? ज़रा जान लो और मान लो. Like, be socially aware where you are and acknowledge everything that is around you. You're lucky to be at this place. This is not a tourist spot. Let's maintain the decorum of this place. Don't make it a touristy spot. This is not for fun. This is for self-realization and introspection. Yeah, beautiful. And the dhaba owner just said that once he wraps up everything, we can actually sleep here. It's a nice little lamb. Hello, cutie pie, cutie boy. We're packing bun omelets for tomorrow.
Just doing a little kitchen assistant work here, packing the omelettes for a big day on the trails. Oh, baby.
Yeah. This is where they're getting ready. So we just had our dinner. We had rajma and chapati. बहुत अच्छा खाना था भैया. मज़ा ही आ गया. Yeah. And we're packing bun omelets for each. We have a tiffin box. We even have rajmas. There's chapatis. So you can have a long day tomorrow. We're planning to leave our bags here and go for a nice ridgeline hike. Yep. This is our sleeping arrangement for the night. We're under a nice big roof of the dhaba. Nice and cozy. Not pitching up our tent. It's nice and clear sky. Be ready for day, what was it? 5. Good night. यहाँ भालू है?
भालू नहीं है.
भालू नहीं है?
आदमी भालू भी है.
भालू भी है?
भालू है.
आपने देखा कभी?
कभी बरसात को देखा है. अभी तो मैं अभी आए यहाँ.
अच्छा.
बरसात कल पिछली बरसात को थी.
पिछली बरसात को थी.
वाला मेरा को रुखा थी बहन से भालू नहीं है थे. सो डुमनू बोलना ये इंदिरा घर का.
हाँ.
बोले सूर है से दिखते लगे.
हाँ.
आगे बालू बाल नाई पारा असू
अरे बाप
ये खा पकड़ी ये लाते तो भाई चलो खा एक उठी चूड़ी तो खाओ
हाँ
बालू में खराब है
हाँ